Welcome students, let us see a very interesting question from the topic probability. Question has been taken from NCERT book of standard 12. Here question is, evaluate probability of A union B if twice of probability of A is equal to probability of B is equal to 5 by 30 and probability of A condition to B is equal to 25. So students, here you are watching the channel IQ Learning and hope you might have subscribed it, IQ Learning channel. If not, please get it subscribed and share this video, this channel to your friends also, so that they could also get benefit of it. Okay, so let us see the solution. Solution is very interesting here. Here given that we have given twice of probability of A is equal to probability of B is equal to 5 by 13. So from here we are getting probability of A is equal to 2 will be transposed to right side. So this is 5 by 26 and probability of B is equal to 5 by 13. So let us use the formula here. Probability of A condition to B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, or probability of A condition to B is already given. This is 2 by 5 is equal to, we will get probability of A intersection B here. First of all, this is not known, so probability of A intersection B and probability of B is 5 by 13. So therefore probability of A intersection B is equal to 2 by 5 into 5 by 13. This is equal to 2 by 13. Correct? Now we have to find out this value, probability of A union B. So we know a very useful formula, probability of A union B. This is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Here probability of A is 5 by 26 plus probability of B is 5 by 13 minus probability of A intersection B, which is 2 by 13. 2 by 13. Let us simplify it. LCM is 26. So 5 plus 10 minus 4. And this is equal to 11 by 26. This is the answer. Very simple, very interesting. Hope you have got the solution here. So students, if you are enjoying learning mathematics here, please give your likes. And if you have any doubt, any suggestion, any problem, please write in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you all the best.